Oh, this is amazing. Look how many cars here. Look how many cars in a drive. I've never seen this before. That's amazing. Look at how many cars feeding in, and there's cars splitting off. 5,000 pounds of bananas for the milkshake and banana splits. Watermelon milkshake. Wow. What's this? Look at that, look at that, look at the production line for the burgers. You know they're serious about their burgers when the workers wear hospital scrubs.
Crazy fun state, which the intent of me saying is not making sure that
Production line. Look at that, look at that. I should order something more exotic, right?
That's okay.
Oh well. So this is all the food here. So this is Peter's. So they have a little eating space beside the. So they have the picnic tables on the side here. We're going to go here right now. So look at the line up there. Looks.
Looks like South Central LA here.
So this is Peter's Drive-In. So they're big hamburgers, eh?
Huh?
They're big hamburgers? Yeah, if you order a double, it's too much.
Look at this.
Wow, look at that, look at that.
No,
so this is not...
This is beef. You get this
So
big thick what a mess.
When you look at this hamburger, it's not false advertising. The meat overlaps. It comes out of the bun.
And this is for like $6.
That's $6.
This is inflation fighter right here.
When you go to these other big chains, the meat is overflowed the bun. That's only in advertising. But in here, you do get the overflow of the meat on the bun there. That's for real.
พี่เรียก eat burger หน่อย eat burger uncle จะฟิล์มดูเบอร์เกอร์เร็วอ่ะ eat your burger here
How big that hamburger is. Wow, that's not false advertising. That's the real thing. That's a huge hamburger for $6.75. Ooh, look at this burger. The meat is oozing out of the bun.
you don't need to have the
You get a single patty and another portion of another patty, so it's almost like a 1 plus a portion patty for the single burger. Looks like you're getting 2 patties here. There's actually 1 big patty and 1 small patty. Now I understand why this Peter's Drive-In has been in business since 1962. That's a pretty good hamburger, eh? So there's more fries when you pour it in the box. Like I say, look at that, look at that. You won't believe it when you see it. This one handful of fries is the size of McDonald's French fries.
It's easily 20 orders of McDonald's fries.
So it's more like easily 20 orders of McDonald's fries. You gotta see it to believe it. Look at this, even the ketchup, you get a double portion of the ketchup. You get a big bag of ketchup. Everything they do here at Peter's Drive-In is huge, but really a great bargain for what you get. The milkshake is so thick, it doesn't come out. How are you supposed to drink it? It doesn't come out.
my milk
It does eventually.
Oh, eventually.
my milk my milk
Ooh, I never tried a lime milkshake. So they got all different flavors. They even got the licorice milkshake. So give the milkshake a try. Wow, look how big that burger is.
we should make more
So nothing better than doing the math. Nothing better than studying math and eating a big, giant cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. So you know this place is serious about their burgers because there's lineups here, night and day. So there's cars coming in. They split off into 2 lineups. and then the people eat in the parking lot beside, which Peter Drive-In owns as well. There's picnic tables along the side of the restaurant and also in front. So you got to try this place for their seriously delicious burgers.